Here's a story about the letter K. To make uppercase K, you make a straight line down like this. Then you make a slanted line here and another slanted line here. To make a lowercase k, you make a straight line down. You make a smaller slanted line right here and another slanted line right here. Some words that start with K are kangaroo, koala, kite. Okay, now here's our story. Once there was a kangaroo named Kevin who loved flying kites more than anything. He loved to fly kites so much, other kangaroos called him King of the Kites. One day, Kevin the kangaroo asked his friend King of the Koala to fly kites with him. She said yes, and they went outside. They set up their kites and started to run, but there wasn't any wind, so the kites wouldn't fly. There's no wind, Kevin said. What should we do? I guess we're just gonna have to wait for the wind, said King of the Koala. I know. While we wait, I'll play my kazoo. And you can practice your karate kicks. Great idea, said Kevin the kangaroo. So Kayla played her kazoo and Kevin karate kicked to the music. Soon all of the kangaroos and koalas came to see what Kayla and Kevin were doing. They were so impressed by their kazoo and karate kick show that they clapped and cheered and kicked. Suddenly, the cheering made a giant wind. Keep cheering, Kevin yelled, and watch this. Now that they had some wind, Kevin and Kayla grabbed their kites and ran until the kites flew high in the air. Kevin did a karate kick while flying his kite. Now the animals clapped even more, and the kites flew even higher. I might be the king of the kites, but your cheering was a key to helping me make the kites fly. Thank you for your help. You are all too kind, Kevin said to his kingdom, and thanks most of all to Kayla, who is a whiz on the kazoo. The end. K. What K words did you find in the story?